Okay guys, now we can talk about the display of flex. This is the GoodPen website. We will use the display of flex to test the display of flex because we just want a big screen. We can go to goodpen.io and then click on pen. And now we have our pen ready to be coded. The first thing we will do right here is to copy the HTML file from here. We can just create a new file here and call it o.html HTML file, copy and paste it inside the code pen. Okay, that's good. We don't need the title anyway, and this CSS is already connected to the unfold all. Oops, okay, we don't need it. Okay, that's good. And then we will type the code and it will be automatically appeared here. The first thing we will start with is adding a div and give it a class equal to flex1 and close this div. Okay, that's good. And now we can go to the CSS. Or first we can add div with class of item, and then inside we can make one. And now we have the one here. We can copy this part and paste it for 2, 3, 4, and also we can make it 5. Okay, so here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say that I want them all to be only in one row. We can just go to the CSS. It's connected to the HTML file. And here, but we got something wrong. This to be div and not one. Copy, paste, 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 and paste. And now, let's try to make them all just in one row. We can make here flex1 and give it display of flex and the closure of the CSS. And now we got them all just in one direction. If I delete this, we have them like that. Let's give the item the let's give it okay. Font size, okay, font size 50 pixels, padding of 4 rem. No, that's very big. 1 rem I think is enough. I guess so, or just 0.5. And then after this part, we can give it background color. Let's give it red. And we can give here border 5 pixels, solid of orange. Okay, and let's now add flex 1 and give it here display of flex. And now we got them all in one row. There is some properties for the flex. We got flex direction and we got row, column, and all of that. We can go to the desktop right here, close this one, open this CSS file because I'm just want to show you something. We got here flex, a property which is called flex direction. And here we got column, reverse, row, and row reverse. We will try them all. We can delete this part right here. And after this part, we can try for the flex direction. Let's try for the row. So this is a row. We got no difference. But what if I make it to be column? Column. So now they are divided to columns and not row. Let's try to add something different. There's a property which is called row reverse. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We can make here row reverse. And now we got this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And very soon we will know how to add a grid system to our website. Let's copy this part, or just let's add here h1 just for the source code, and here to be direction of row, flex direction of row, and this to be row. And after this part, we can just copy all of that. We can add an HR right here, a horizontal line. And after this part, let's make this to be for row reverse. And this one here to be flex 2. We can copy this one right here. And this one to be for row reverse. This to be for the 2. And now we got the flex row and flex of row reverse. Let's talk now about the column. We can just copy this part and paste this one to be 3, delete this one, and just let's make it column. We can copy this flex, paste it here just to be for the 3, and this to be column. And now we got the flex direction of column, and we also have the flex direction of column reverse. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's know how to edit. We can copy this part as we did before. And after this part, we can make flex 4, flex reverse. And inside here, we can copy this part and paste this to be 4, and this to be column reverse. And here, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and that's perfect. That was a good introduction to the flex. In the next video, we will talk about the grid system, and we will talk about also the flex of wrap and no wrap. So good luck and have fun.